Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super useful trick for your WordPress site, adding a back to top button. If your pages or posts are long, this button can make it really easy for your visitors to quickly return to the top without endless scrolling. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes to set up and you don't need any coding skills. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Once it loads, look up at the top right corner. You'll see the login option. Go ahead and click that to access your account. You'll notice a few ways to log in, but for this tutorial, we're going to choose Continue with Google. When you click it, a pop-up will appear allowing you to pick the Google account you want to use. Select your account and WordPress will log you in automatically. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the control center for your website, and it might look a little overwhelming if you're new. Don't worry. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This opens the site editor where you can make changes to your website in real time and see them immediately. Now that we're in the editor, let's add the actual button. Look for the little plus icon. It's usually at the top left or somewhere on the page. Click that and a menu called the block inserter will pop up. In the search field, type button and you'll see the button block appear. Go ahead and click it to add it to your page. Once the button is added, drag it down toward the bottom of your page. This makes sense because the idea is for visitors to click this button when they're at the bottom and want to quickly scroll back up. You can even customize the button text. Something like back to top works perfectly. And if you want, you can play around with colors, font sizes, or even rounded corners to match your website style. Next, we need to connect the button to the top of the page using an anchor link. In the navigation settings of your site editor, look for a small link icon and click it. You'll see a field where you can type your anchor link. Start the link with a hashtag. It's important because it tells WordPress this is an internal link. You can name it something simple like hashtag top. Now, scroll back up to the top of your page. Click on the block that represents the top of your content. On the right-hand side, you'll see the block settings panel. Click on the Advanced tab and you'll find a field for a link. Here, type in the anchor link you created earlier, but this time leave out the hashtag. This step ensures that your back to top button knows exactly where to go when clicked. Finally, double check everything and click Save. And just like that, your website now has a fully functional back to top button. It's small, but it really improves your visitors' experience, especially on pages with lots of content. And there you have it. Adding a back to top button is quick, easy, and really user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might want to make their WordPress site even more navigable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.